Odds. The odds in favor of an event and the odds against an event can be found using the formulas to the right. So the odds in favor of an event are when you put the number of favorable outcomes first and then the number of unfavorable outcomes. The odds against an event are when you put the unfavorable outcomes first and the favorable outcomes second. Odds are usually expressed in the form of A to B or A colon B. For example, the odds in favor of getting a 4 when rolling a number cube are 1 to 5 or 1 colon 5, which we generally would just say 1 to 5 for as well. You can also write them as a fraction. It's just a little more standard for odds to write them as 1 to 5. What are the odds of rolling a 3 on a 6-sided number cube? Well, there's 1 3, and there are 5 sides that are not 3, so it's 1 to 5. What are the odds of picking a queen out of a standard deck of cards? Well, there are 4 queens in the deck, and there are 48 cards that are not queens. So the important thing about odds is you never use your total. The two numbers together add up to your total. But it's different from probability, where with probability you put the favorable outcomes over the total number of outcomes. That's not what odds is. Odds is where you compare the favorable outcomes to the unfavorable outcomes. So there's 1 chance you'll get a 3, 5 chances you won't. 4 chances you'll get a queen, 48 chances you won't. Just like with probability, you can reduce if you want, but you don't have to. So if you want to, you could reduce that to 1 to 12, divide them both by 4. Number 3, a bag contains 3 red marbles, 4 green marbles, 7 blue marbles, 1 yellow marble, and 2 white marbles. What are the odds of picking a red marble? Well, there's 3 red marbles, so that's the favorable. And then 4 plus 7 is 11, 12, 14. So it'd be 3 to 14. So what are the odds of picking a green marble? Well, there's 4 green marbles. And then not green is 3, 10, 11, 13. So it's 4 to 13. What are the odds of picking a white marble? Well, there's 2 white marbles, and there are 3, 7, 14, 15 that aren't white. No. Notice that all of these are adding up to 17 because there's a total of 17 marbles. Last one, what are the odds of picking a black marble? Well, there are no black marbles in the bag, so 0 to 17. So these examples were all odds in favor, but to do the odds against an event, you would just flip it and you would write it the opposite way. 14 to 3, 15 to 2, 13 to 4, 17 to 0. Remember with odds, it's favorable being compared to unfavorable. You don't use the total anywhere. Your values would add up to the total.